Hey pros, Crystal here from Crystal W Online. So I finally received my package from the Purple Pickle Factory and we are gonna try them out today. Sorry for the voice, it's a little hash. Can you turn off the water? Sorry for the voice, it's a little hash. But we are gonna try the pickles out today. Yeah, you can go down. All right, so I got watermelon, green apple, blue raspberry, and tropical fruit. I also got a south of the border pack that was basically a Ziploc bag that had some different candies in it. I am going to assume that these are candies from Mexico, south of the border. And then they also came with a baby tahini in there. And then like a tamarind lollipop, tastes like watermelon with chilies. And like a tamarind spicy thing, like a fruit. But we're gonna try out the pickles to see how the pickles go. Okay, so let's do the blue raspberry. Come on over. My little tasty tester here is gonna help us. All right, you want us to just put it in half? Okay, give me a knife. So one thing I will say is they are very colorful. That's fine. They're super colorful. So if you look inside this pack here, like if it's blue, it's blue. Awesome. Okay, so this one is the blue raspberry. Look at the blue, guys. Look how blue that is. So we're just gonna cut it in half. Okay. So this is the blue raspberry. This one is good.
I like the green one better.
So we tried the sour apple off camera. The sour apple was really good. As you guys can tell, it definitely changes the color of your tongue. It's like a pickle that tastes like blue raspberry, right?
That's good.
That one is good. Definitely will eat that one again. The green apple, I'll also eat that one again. One thing I will say is the green apple, one part of the pickle was crispy. The other part of my pickle was not. I like my pickles crispy, so that was one downer for me, but the pickle taste was still good. This one is tropical fruit. So let's see how this one tastes. It's red. I think this one's gonna be nice and crispy. Okay, let's go. I'm not a super fan of the tropical fruit.
It's nice and crispy, but
It is giving too many tropical flavors for me. What do you think? She doesn't like the tropical fruit at all. Tropical fruit is not a favorite of mine.
it's just like fruit punch.
Yeah. It's too many flavors in one. If you like fruit punch, you'll like that one. But the fruit punch flavor with the pickle doesn't go too well for me. Pickles. You wanna try one? This one is watermelon. Now I love watermelon flavored anything.
I'm in it too.
Sit down. So we're gonna try the watermelon together. So this one is the watermelon. All right, so let me cut it in 3. Okay. Here's 2. Ready? Try it. Oh, The watermelon is good.
I don't like this one either.
Let's try it with some tahini.
Oh,
Want to try it?
hi, what is that one?
The thing we put on the mango. Yeah, I'll give you a little bit. There you go. So we're going to try it with some tahini. Adriana's giving it a no. What do you say?
Yes.
It's giving Jolly Ranchers.
The green apple is the best one.
Okay. So can you give me the strawberry?
Okay.
So now we're going to try out the strawberry. So all 4 of these were room temperature. The strawberry, I put it in the refrigerator. So it's cool. So let's try that one.
Is it tasty?
Okay, ready?
Yes.
Right. 3, 2, 1. Definitely crispy.
Tastes like a tropical fruit one.
The strawberry and the tropical fruit are kind of going together. They kind of mimic each other. Yeah. So I would say that our absolute faves for Adriana was the sour green apple. What about you?
I don't know because I haven't done this.
You want to try it? Christian wants to try sour green apple. You want a piece? Go ahead.
Why is my hands coming out?
It's the color.
Oh, I thought it
Eat
looked
it.
like blood money.
No? So out of all of the ones you tried, strawberry, blue raspberry, sour green apple, which one was your favorite?
My favorite was the watermelon.
The watermelon. So Christian's favorite was the watermelon. Cool. Go wash your hands.
My hands look like blood.
Yeah, go wash it. One thing I will say, it's very stainy. Go wash your hands and brush your teeth. Go brush your teeth.
It looks like blood.
My least favorite was the tropical fruit. I'm not a Hawaiian Punch fan. Next in line would be the strawberry. They kind of taste the same. I did like the watermelon. It was really good. Sour green, the green apple. The texture of the pickle was too soft. There was not a lot of crunch in it. That's the only thing that I didn't like about the green apple. And then the blue raspberry was also really good. I will tell you that they do change your tongue. And all we did was eat one. It stains your fingers too. So I don't know if they use a ton of coloring. I don't know what they use. But I mean, it was okay. I will say that they managed to go, I think they went viral in the midst of me ordering. So their website said that orders will go out on or before January the 8th. And it actually did not go out until last week. And today is January 23rd. So with that being said, I know that whenever you have a rush of orders, what you anticipate is sometimes can be less. I emailed them and they did email me the next day saying that they had a backlog of orders from just going viral overnight. So it would be a little delay, and I was fine because from a business to a business, I know how that feels. Sometimes you get an influx and you just did not expect it, and God is just so good to your company, and you say thank you, be graceful, communicate that information, and keep going. So would I order them again? Probably not. It has nothing to do with the shipping time. But me personally, it's not like, oh my gosh, I must have these. Honestly, I'd rather try other companies now to see if there's a difference in flavor. Now these candies, I actually like these. These were really good. Like really good. I had one earlier. In total, I spent about $45 on everything for all 5 jars of pickles and the candy. Honestly, it's pickles that are flavored, so definitely it's worth the $45. And they do fill the jar, so I'm not gonna sit here and act like that wasn't like worth it. It is a full jar of pickles that they're giving me. So all in all, it was good. I definitely am glad I experienced it. Would I rush to order flavored pickles again? No, not really, because I can make them at home and wait less time. But I wanted to try theirs in specific. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video outside of my hashy voice. But you guys go check them out. I mean, at the end of the day, I'm not getting paid for this video or anything. You guys go check them out and be the judge for yourself. I'll see everybody in the next video. Peace.